Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Cognito. So today we are going to learn how to create user in Cognito. So in Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a user pool in AWS Cognito. Now we are going to use that details to create a users in Cognito. So we have the new pool in the last video, right? And here you can see that we don't have any users right now, so we are going to create the users, confirm their statuses, and then sign in with that one and create change password, new token, renew token, each and everything we are going to learn in this coming series. And it okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let me create the Node.js and all functionalities. So first of all, go to our folders where we want to add the things. So here I'm going to add the open with the terminal. So I'm going to add make directory cognito mkdir cognito, okay, and cd cognito, then npm init hyphen y for creating the packet.json. So it's created. Let me open that code with the VS Code. Where is Cognito? Open with the VS Code. Okay, so we are going to create the files. So first of all, we have to create the app.js. Then we have to create cognito.js. Then we have a route.js .js. Okay, then first let's go for the app.js and add this line of code over here. Okay, so I'm going to add this here, app.js. Here I will explain each and every step. Then we have a cognito. Then I'm going to add the cognito part. Okay, so here I'm going to add the cognito. Then we have a routes. So here have the routes last part. Okay, something I think const is missing, so that's the reason it's not picking up. Okay, so this is the routes. Okay, so first of all, we have an app.js file. So we require the http express and the body parser. Okay, so these things should be there, right? Then in the cognito we have to add this of the SDK. So I'm going to add this one, npm I, go to the terminal, then npm I, then add this one cognito. Then we have a AWS SDK we require, so add this one also. Then we require the request, npm I request. Then we require jw kpem. Then we require JSON web token. And then we require node fetch. Okay, so let's add this one. So these things are done. Okay, then we are going to node app.js. It is running or not. Express is not there, then npm I express. Next, so it says node fetch, so npm I node hyphen fetch. Okay, so this is done. Now we are going to node app.js. Node app.js, okay, is not supported that module. So we need to downgrade any of the version of the node fetch, because I think I'm working on the latest version of node. So I need to figure out the degrade version of the node one. So this require the es module. Okay, so this module will not work with this one. Why? Because of the this module work on the es module, and we are using the require part, not the import. So where we have a node fetch in the in the route it's app.js. So here we have where we have the node fetch. So okay, and where we are using the fetch part. I think we are not using the node fetch any of where. So I think global dot fetch. Let me comment and check this one if it is not required. So we don't take a risk on that. Okay, so this is running. So let's go and configure all of the things. So first of all, go to the app.js, HTTP Express body parser. Here we are going to give the routes, then Express, then server started. Okay, on that part, and here we have the app.use auth count routes for that one, else error. Okay, whenever we are trying to add the token, if it is not, then we are going to throw some error, right? This is the app. Now we have a Cognito, very important. Here we have requiring all of the packages, then pool data. Here we have a user pool ID and the client ID. So how you are going to get this one? So go to your pool part, and here we have the pool ID. So you can see that this is user pool ID. You can go and just add this one here. There's the code pool ID, so you can add over here pool ID, right? Pool ID is there. After that we have a client ID, so go and just check it out, the client ID at the same moment. So here we have the client ID. Go to the app integrations, and here we have the client ID. So just copy and add this one. So here we have the client ID. Save this. Okay, run this project again and go to the this one, Apple localhost 4000 or sign up, and here you need to add the bodies. So here I'm going to add the email where the password should be gone. So I'm going to add the here Magento developer Magento developer 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so password is this one. So I'm going to set this one, send invalid parameters, name, email, and the password. The phone number, I guess it's missing, so I'm going to add the phone number also. Phone underscore number, right? So here I'm going to add the phone number. Okay, so let's add this one, invalid parameters. What exactly the issue is? Invalid parameters. What we have done this part? Give me a second. This is client ID, and what are the fields? User pool ID is this one. I'm adding this one. Give me a second. User pool ID, and AWS origin. Let me check this one. Which is the origin of that one? So which is the origin of it? This is apps south one. Yeah, it's there. So it's email, pass name, and the value. So we have the name. I think we have selected the name, email, and there is phone number also. So I need to add this one also. So here we need to add the name, that should be phone underscore number, which we have already added this one. So I'm going to add here. Let's add the static phone number over here. Plus 91 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So this is save this one. Go and just refresh this node app.js. Then send. Now you can see that the user is created over here. Let's have a look on that one. So here we have the pool. where we have the users. Now you can see that the user is created, but it's unconfirmed. In the next video, we are going to learn how to confirm this status to be unconfirmed to confirmed by verifying, right? So we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.